What's up? Welcome back to Triple Play Saturday round 2. All right, you all. Hope your weekend is getting started right. And with that, let's get started with this review. Now, the name of this watch face is called Equinox. I like the look. I like the design. I like the uniqueness of the watch face. In the AOD mode, I really like the color theme of this watch face in the AOD mode. Looks really nice. Now, once the watch face is on, you've seen this developer's work before. I just got through doing a review on it. If you have not, go check out this guy's page. He got tons of freebies that are ready for the downloading. All right, so let's take a look at this one. First of all, you get an analog time. You also get digital, which means you get the best of both worlds. And up at the top, you got to look at this. This moon phase looks realistic, and it moves across as the time of the day goes by. So when it reaches the daytime, you're going to have a sun. If it's sunny, I haven't seen any clouds yet, but I'm telling you, this moon phase looks awesome. You come over here, you're going to get your step information, heart rate information here, nice retro digital time down at the bottom, and you're going to get the day of the week, your date, and also information on floors climbed. Now, if I tap right here, this is my battery info, and I really like the look of that. Really stands out. And if I tap here, I can get my step information. And of course, over here, I can get my heart rate. Now, if I tap down here, I can get my calendar, and also I get two places where I can set favorites, one on the right and then one right here on the left that you can set to whatever application you would like to set it to, which is pretty cool. And then if I double tap up at the top to the left, then I can customize this color theme of this watch face. And we're going to cycle through all of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this super awesome watch face for the weekend. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. You know I want to know your thoughts on this one. And make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all at the next one. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.